In this video, I'm going to show you how you turn this into this. And it only takes a minute. When you first click on the TikTok app, you're going to be on the home page. You're going to want to click Profile down on the bottom right. Now you're going to want to click the 3 lines up top. Go ahead and click that, and now you'll see 2 buttons. Click Settings and Privacy. Now you're going to want to scroll down to Content and Activity. As you can see, the 3rd button in Content and Activity is Dark Mode. Go ahead and click that button. Now you have some buttons. You have the light mode, you have the dark mode, and you have use device settings. So what this means is basically the app will put whichever mode your settings of your phone is already set to, if that makes sense. But don't put that button, just click whichever one you want, light or dark. In this case, we're going to pick dark. Now you just press back, and you press back again, top left. And now you are successfully in dark mode. As you can see, all of the tabs are now dark. If I helped you out on this video, make sure to leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one.